So over the past week, maybe a week and a half, I have been traveling through Europe. Now, about, I don't know, 6 months ago, I was just minding my own business, scrolling through Instagram, and then I saw at Travel with Tony Ann talk about a tour she had gone on for 7 days, 6 countries in Europe, and I thought there could not be anything better. No, 7 countries, 11 days, and I thought there could not be anything better. It was Expat Explore. I went online, I looked it up, and they had many different trips, so I took the one with less days. I don't think I could spend 11 days in Europe. The time difference would be too much for my business to function properly. So I went with the 7 days and 6 countries in Europe, and it was just exhilarating. The highlight of my trip was being in Switzerland because Switzerland is one of my white whales. It's one of the countries I've wanted to go, but did not know when that would ever happen. I knew I was going to go to Paris one day, France one day, to Paris, and so that was the first one. And being at the Eiffel Tower was again exhilarating. And then there were several countries after that. In my subsequent videos, I will try to go through each country and talk about the highs and the lows. Maybe no lows. I'll talk about the highs. I don't focus on the negative. So anyway, right now I am in Scotland. My tour was done, but I given myself 4 extra days in London before going back to the US. My 7 day tour is over. Now I'm doing my 4 days, and I opted yesterday at lunch. I was sitting at lunch just like I am right now, and the idea came to me to come to Scotland, and so I bought a ticket. I jumped on the train. It wasn't that simple. I'll give the long version of what happened in another video. It wasn't like that. Yes, I had a thought at lunch, but I didn't just buy a ticket and jump on a train. I actually did not buy a ticket, and I was on standby. But anyway, I hope my trip inspires you to take one of your own. If you wanted to try Europe and you're not quite sure what to do, then this Expat Explore tour is perfect because you get to be guided, you get to be taken by bus, and you get to be you get to go to all of the attractions that are suggested. That way you get a taste. The trip is called the Taste of Europe. So if you do look it up, look for the Taste of Europe. Now this video is so long, I don't know how to get it down to a minute and a half, but check it out, see if you like it. It's not an expensive tour either. Yes, your ticket is separate from the tour, and some of the outings are separate. A couple of them are a separate price, but they will tell you what is included, and you can choose, what excursions you want to go on based on your budget. But the tour itself is not that expensive, I think, and being ushered around by bus was amazing. Now, this tour is not for the faint of heart. It is 7 days and 6 countries. So imagine driving from one country to another country, not from state to state, not parish to parish, but country to country. It is exhausting. If you're a finicky eater, this is not the tour for you. If you are antisocial and can't get along with other people, this is not the tour for you. If you're not a go with the flow kind of person, this is not the tour for you. Right now I'm in Scotland and it's raining outside. And when I leave here, I'm going to go walk in the rain. I'm going to walk in the rain and I'll decide if I'm going to see any more attractions or I'm going to go back to the bus. My hair is a hot mess. It was so amazing looking the first couple of days, but that was the end of it. I got to Switzerland and I went up to the top of the Europe tour and the snow got me, and that was it. But anyway, this is Gail in Edinburgh, Scotland. This is an amazing place. My food I just had was amazing, and my dessert just came. Something flambé. It's about to be flambéed. Someone suggested if you ever see flambé on the menu, always go for it. So my flambé is getting ready. Maybe over here so I can catch it. Okay. Well, it wasn't a big flame. Thank you. I am never eating all of this because I am not a sugar person, but I need something to get rid of the savory. Okay, so this part is going to be a voiceover. I didn't finish recording my video because my dessert came and I had to have it before the ice cream melted. So this Expat Explore tour is a taste of Europe, 7 days, 6 countries. I definitely suggest you check it out. These kind of experiences, they stretch you and they grow you. I am Gail. I thank you for watching.